Hello children, today we are going to study a grammar topic, that is use of was and were. Okay children, so let us see. The words was and were are used in the past tense. You remember children, past tense, present tense, past tense. We have to change the verbs. Use the word was when there is a singular noun. We use was when there is singular noun, and were should be used when there is a plural noun. So children, was and were is used when we talk about yesterday. It is a past tense. Okay. So was is used for singular, that is for one person or one thing, and were is used for plural when there is more than one thing or one person. Okay, so here you can see that Arun was going to school, because Arun, we are talking about only one child, that is Arun. Arun and Vimal were going to school. Now here children, you can see that this is a plural form. Arun and Vimal, two boys are there, so we will use were. Okay, and for one we use was. The cat was drinking milk. The cats were drinking milk. Okay children, so this is singular and this is plural, so we have to take care of that. Let us see few examples here children. Was or were. It dash not a good day for me. What will come children? It was. It, here it is a singular. When we talk about one thing, we write it. Okay. I dash thirsty. I, again, is it singular, so was thirsty. We dash all excited to see an elephant. Now children, here you can see that we means more than one person. It is plural, so we were all excited to see an elephant. Why dash you so tired yesterday? And you is there, then we use why were you. We cannot say why was you. Those chocolates, those, plural, many chocolates are there, so those chocolates were very nice. Okay, so let us solve a worksheet children. Worksheet number 6. Fill in the blanks with was or were. Children, we have to find out whether it is a singular or plural, and based on that we have to write was or were. I dash crossing the red light when the accident took place. I, one person, so I was. Okay. Sheena dash at home yesterday. Sheena, again one girl, so Sheena was. You dash very busy on Monday. So I told you with you are going to write down were. You were very busy on Monday. I dash so happy yesterday. Again singular, I was. Okay. They dash in front of the garden. They, plural, so they were in front of the garden. We dash at school last Sunday. We is plural, so we were at school last Sunday. The boys, again children, it is plural, so the boys were climbing the tree. Okay. Here are some sentences from the story in your course book, that is Rumpelstiltskin. Children, I hope you all have read that lesson. The words was and were have been left out. Write them in the blanks. Once there was a miller. The king, singular, was pleased, but he was greedy. He, again, is a singular. In the morning there was gold. By morning, the reels, S plural form. The reels were full of gold and 2 new ones. There dash reels and reels of gold in the room. Reels and reels. So there were. She and her father were worried. She and her father was worried. Number 3 children, circle the correct option. Children were playing in the garden. Children, many children, so were. I was watching TV last night. Again, I was completing the homework yesterday when you called. The child, it's only one child, so child was busy with his friends when I called him. You were absent in the hobby class today. Children, with you, it's were. Rohan, again one child, so Rohan was riding his new bicycle on the country road. Question number 4. Write 2 sentences about what you did yesterday. Children, whatever you have done yesterday, that 2 sentences you can write on your own. Like, I ate apple yesterday. Then I was. Okay, you can write using was, were. Okay. So children, this is the solved worksheet. Okay. So you write and check your answers with it. Okay children. So this is this much for today. We will meet tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.